Hello, my name is Tanner Yauberg, founder of Aero Design LLC. Beside me, you'll see our roamer arm 7725 by Hexagon. We plan on using this tool in conjunction with our skilled operators to compete in the 2020 Advanced Manufacturing Olympics Box of Parts Challenge. Let's start off by showing a case study where we use all tools necessary to execute this. Here, we can see the inside of a KR200 Messerschmitt cabin scooter. Let's focus on the handle for a moment. Our customer of this job wanted us to reverse engineer this handle and create it out of aluminum. We started by scanning with our roamer arm. This created a point cloud that we then brought into Solidworks. Here in Solidworks, we created surfaces and later stitched them to create a solid. From there, we were able to add mesh and create a Solidworks finite element simulation model if required by the customer. After Solidworks simulation is complete, we can then select our material and do our CAM in Fusion 360. Here you can see a quick profile of our adaptive clearing path used to cut the part. Once machining was complete, we polished the component and were able to scan it again and compare it to our initial results. And now, let's meet our team.
Hi, my name is Darren Johnson. I'm an airframe and power plant technician with 10 years experience in the build and flight test of multiple high-performance composite aircraft. I'm also a really big fan of anything with a motor on it. As a machinist at Aero Design, I'm responsible for understanding the drawings, creating the components, and then inspecting those components to ensure they meet the strict requirements defined in the drawing.
At Stratolaunch, I was part of the flight controls design team that realized the world's largest airplane by wingspan, the Stratolaunch. During that pursuit, the need to reverse engineer complex components, learn how they work, and more importantly, how they fail was part of the daily job.
I'm standing in front of one of two Boeing 747s that we reverse engineered to create the world's largest aircraft. I find reverse engineering is essential when it comes to prototyping. These skills let me take components into extreme applications and give me the confidence that they will work reliably.
We often take existing parts and reverse engineer them in order to reproduce them in our machines. For this project, I will be modeling in Fusion 360.
Throughout my career, I've developed multiple interface tools to CAD and take large sets of data and reduce them down to a usable CAD model. Some of these CAD models were used to fly actual prototype aircraft. I'm excited about this program because I like the idea of having to solve a real-world problem.
On behalf of the whole team, I would like to thank the Air Force for hosting this event and look forward to the challenge.